outskirts of town, where the fields stretch far and the sun goes down. Riding in trucks with the windows down low, low, blasting our music on the old radio. Friday nights at the honky-tonk bar, shooting pool, playing songs on guitar. Living for the weekend, chasing the stars, in a world where nothing's too far. On the back roads and bar stools, we made our stand, with dusty boots and country band. Living life simple, with a drink in our hand, in the heart of the Southland, we're taking a stand. We gather around the bonfire light, telling tall tales till the morning light, dancing in the dirt, two-stepping in time, to the rhythm of love and a sweet moonshine. Every heartache and every joy captured in the songs of a country boy. We wrote our stories in the southern soil, with dreams too big to spoil. On the back roads and bar stools, we made our stand, with dusty boots and country band. Living life simple, with a drink in our hand, in the heart of the Southland, we're taking a stand. Now the years have flown, but the memories stay of those wild nights in our country ways. We still find time for a toast and a song, for the love of the land where we belong. On the back roads and bar stools, we made our stand, with dusty boots and a country band. Living life simple, with a drink in our hand.
Thing that I'm pretty adamant about is that if I see somebody broke down, got their hood up or whatever, I'm gonna make sure that I stop and help them out. These young kids, they're out here, a boat full, and had the hood up on their motor, and they were out there trying to start it with a string. And I was like, man, I remember those times as a kid. So, and I've also, here recently, broken down. Just sometimes you're the one doing the pulling, and sometimes you're the one being pulled.
Off your soul when you take a two-lane lap, if you get up off your ass when they fly that flag, if you already know a country boy can survive, I bet you wanna